How to log in Snapchat account. So if you want to log into your Snapchat account, then first of all check your internet connection, and you can go for your Play Store and go for the search bar and search for Snapchat. And now here you will have open option, right? Simply tap on that open, and now your Snapchat will open, right? So you can simply go for login, or you can go for switch account, and here it will take you to the login page. So now to log into your Snapchat, first you need to enter your username or your email address on the first blank, and once you've entered that, here on the next blank you need to enter your password. But if you don't want to log in using your username or your email address, then you can use phone number instead of that, and then you can enter your phone number. So I'll be choosing email, and then you need to enter your password. And once you've entered that, if you forgot your password, then you can go for forgot your password, which is on the middle of your screen, and then you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember, then simply enter your information and then tap on login, and that's it. Once you've tapped on login, if your information was correct, then it will automatically log you into your Snapchat account. So that's it. That's how you log into your Snapchat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.